Hi everyone, I'm Ronia, and these are my little brothers Righteous and Rain.
Hi!
Are you ready to count 1 to 10 with animals? Let's go! Look, Righteous, it's a baby elephant. Wow, just one big friendly elephant. One elephant, that's the number 1. You're right, Rain, 1 elephant. He likes me. Hi friends, let's count these cute lions. 1, 2, 2 lions, yay! Yes, 2 friendly lions. Can you say 2? 2. Great job. They're so cute. Let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3. 1 for the 3rd duck. They're so cute. 1 for the 2nd duck. And 1 for the 1st. 3 ducks. Wow, look, 4 monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. They're so fun. 4 playful monkeys. Let's count them again. Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cows. Yes, there are 5 cows. 5 is fun. Hi, kids. Let's count the rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, 6 fluffy rabbits. They're so soft. I love rabbits. Rabbits! Wow, so many butterflies. 1 landed on me. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3 on the flower. 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted 7. Wow, look! The pigs are running! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little pigs, I see 8. Oink, oink, come on, piglets. That's right, there are 8 pigs. Look, there are 3 sheep over there. And 3 more up the hill. Plus 3 by the wall. That's 9 sheep in total. 9! 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted to 10. Great job, everyone! You learned your 1 to 10 with animals today.
High five!
Don't forget to click the red button to subscribe for more fun.
See you next time. Bye!